Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gardening with Ben. In today's video we're going to be potting up our salvia cuttings, what we started earlier on in the year. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's episode. You may have remembered a bit back when we took some salvia cuttings. I've never taken salvia cuttings before. It was the first time that I'd ever done it, because first year that I'd had salvia on my allotment, which I purchased from BBC Gardeners World Live, I thought they smelled absolutely beautiful. They looked gorgeous, and I thought I'm going to grow some of them. So I bought 3 varieties of them, and one of them smells like blackcurrant. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it was expensive to buy, but I thought let's try and make some cuttings and let's see if we can get some more plants. It looks pretty easy to do, so I thought I'll give it a go. And that's the thing about gardening, it's experimenting and trying new things, and if you can get free plants from it, why not, eh? I'm a Yorkshire man, that is for sure. But yeah, let's have a look at what. So this is one of the cuttings that I took. As you can see, it's absolutely doing brilliant. The leaves are dying off now, but it's in good shape and it's got a flower on it. So we're going to pot these up into bigger pots so that they can bush out. We're going to cut the heads off so that they can focus on growing the roots and building a better system. So we've got about 12 of these to do, and if you were to buy these in shop, wow, they'd be like £8. That's how much I think I paid for each salvia plant, £8. So yeah, hopefully we can keep them going throughout the winter period and get them growing, and then we're going to plant them out in the springtime when it's warmer, possibly after the frosts being, so that they can take root better. So yeah, these are going to look absolutely gorgeous next year on the allotment, and it will encourage the bees to come and smell absolutely gorgeous. So let's get these potted up and let's get them sorted. So let's have a look at what it looks like inside the plant pot. So as you can see, the roots have taken really well. It's a bit dry, I've not watered it. But yeah, once we take off the old compost and we break it up, and then we're going to put them into some larger plant pots, which are nice and big. So hopefully they'll build a nice big root system in the plant pot, and it'll encourage them to grow bigger and hopefully get better plants for next year. So let's get these sorted, let's get them potted up, and let's show you the outcome. So I've potted them all up and I've realised I've got a lot more than I actually thought I had. So I've got 20 plants altogether, absolutely loads of them. So hopefully these are going to look absolutely gorgeous in my allotment next year, because they bush out really well, they grow really bushy and really nice, so they're going to look absolutely amazing. So we just need to prune all the flowers off now and get them to grow out and get bigger. So let's give them a trim back. So that is all them potted up nicely and trimmed back. So hopefully keep them watered and keep them alive through the winter period. Fingers crossed it stays warm enough in here for them to stay alive, but we'll see. Like I said, nothing lost if they do die, because they're all free plants. But yeah, that'd save me a fortune in buying all them if they do take. So let's give them a good water and get them settled in. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope you've learned something new, and if you've got some salvia, why not try taking some cuttings yourself? As like I say, it's the first time I've done it and they've done really well. Really surprising how easy it is actually to do it from salvias. And if you've not seen my other video, go and find it, salvia cuttings, and you'll see how I did it. So yeah, make sure you do give us a follow, make sure you give us a like and leave a comment below. Let me know if you've taken any salvia cuttings as well. I always love to hear from everybody. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.